Good morning, students. Class 12th determinant exercise 4.1. Question number first, find the determinant of order 2 cross 2. Question number first, so let the determinant E is equals to determinant of 2 4 minus 5 minus 1. Determinant of order 2 cross 2. So how we will find the determinant of 2 cross 2? First we will multiply the principal diagonal element, then minus the product of off diagonal elements. So implies that determinant E will be equals to 2 into minus 1 minus of minus 5 into 4. So be very careful. First we have to multiply the principal diagonal element, put in bracket, then put minus sign, then multiply the off diagonal element with their signs. So determinant E will be equals to minus 2 minus of minus 20. So determinant E will be equals to minus 2 plus 20. So determinant E will be equals to 18. This is the question number first part. Now second one is find the determinant of question number second. Find the determinant of cos of theta minus sine of theta, then sine of theta into cos of theta. So this is also determinant of order 2. So let this determinant E is equals to determinant E implies that determinant E will be equals to multiply the principal diagonal. So cos into cos square theta minus of sine theta into minus sine theta, that is minus sine square theta. Now determinant E will be cos square theta minus of minus, that is plus sine square theta. So this is the basic identity. We can write sine square theta plus cos square theta. So sine square theta plus cos square theta for sine same theta. This is identity. So it is equals to 1. Implies that your determinant is equals to 1. Now next question number second part of second. This was first part of second. Then second part is find the determinant. Determinant is given x square minus x plus 1, then x minus 1. This is the first row, and second row is x plus 1 into x plus 1. So how we will calculate this? Determinant E will be equals to the principal diagonal element. These two will be multiplied. So first x square minus x plus 1 into of x plus 1, then minus of off diagonal, that is x plus 1 into x minus 1. It will be x square minus 1. Now determinant E will be equals to x into this. So x cube minus x square plus of x plus x square minus of x plus 1 minus x square plus of 1. This x square will be cancelled out by this x square. Then this plus x will be cancelled out by this minus x. So it will be equals to determinant E will be equals to x cube minus x square plus of 1. So this is the determinant E. Now question number 3. If a square matrix is given, square matrix A is given, first row 1 2, second row is 4 2. This is 2 cross 2 square matrix. Then prove that determinant of 2A is equals to 4 into determinant of A. So by the given conditions, we have to find 2A, determinant of 2A means First, we will find the scalar multiplication of the given matrix. So 2A means 2 into given square matrix 1, 2, 4, 2. If any scalar is multiplied with the square matrix, then this scalar will be multiplied with each element. So it will be equals to 2, 4, 8 and 4. Now determinant of A. First we will find determinant of A. So determinant of A will be determinant of 1, 2, 4, 2. So determinant A will be 1 into 2 minus of 4 into 2. So determinant A will be equals to 2 minus of 8. So 2 minus 8 will be equals to minus of 6. So determinant A is equals to minus of 6. Now determinant of 2A, that is determinant of this matrix. So determinant of 2, 4, 8, 4. So determinant of 2A will be equals to 2 into 4, 8 minus of 8 into 4, 32. So twice of determinant A is 8 minus 32, that is equals to minus 24. Now as per the given condition, what is the given condition? Determinant of 2A should be equals to 4 into determinant of A. Here determinant of 2A is minus 24. So this is minus 24 equals to 4 into determinant A. Determinant A is minus 6. So 4 into minus 6, that is minus 24 is equals to minus 24. So hence proved. So in this way you have to solve the questions. Then next question. Question number 4. If a matrix is given of order 3 cross 3. So let matrix A is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, then 0, 0, 4. Then 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4. Then so that determinant of 3A is equals to 27 into determinant of A. So first of all, we have to find the 3A. So 3A will be equals to 3 into the given matrix 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4. So it will be equals to 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 12. The scalar multiplication of any matrix means this scalar will be multiplied with the every element of given square matrix. Now determinant of A means we have to find the determinant of given square matrix. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 4. Now here see, in this given determinant, in the first column there are 2 elements and in first row 1 element is 0. So we will expand this matrix determinant to find its determinant with respect to first column, because in the first column there are 2 elements. So determinant A, you can expand this determinant with respect to first row, second row, third row, first column, second column and third column, and in every situation its determinant, that is the numerical value, will remain same, but we are expanding with respect to first column because in the first column 2 entries are 0, so calculation will be easy. So on expanding with respect to column first, so column first element 1. सो जिस एलिमेंट के रेस्पेक्ट एक्सपांसन कर रहे हैं वो जिस रो और कॉलम में लाइज कर रहा है उनके एलिमेंट को छोड़ करके रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट है 1, 2, 0, 4. देन विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू सेकंड एलिमेंट that is minus 0, ये जिस रो और कॉलम में लाइज कर रहा हूं उनको छोड़ना, so 0 1 0 4, then plus of 0 into, with respect to this 0 we will leave first column and third row, so it will be 0 1 1 2. Now these two values will be directly 0, just I explain how we will expand. Otherwise, because these two elements 0, so with respect to these element numerical value will be 0. So determinant A will be equals to 1 into 4 minus of 0 into 2. So 0 into 2 will be 0. So determinant A will be equals to, that is 4. So determinant A is your 4 numerical value. Now what we have to find? Determinant of 3A. So here determinant of 3A means, now determinant of 3A, that is determinant of 303 0 0 3 6 0 12. Again on expanding with respect to column first, so determinant of 3A will be equals to 3 into, so इस एलिमेंट के रेस्पेक्ट जब एक्सपांशन करेंगे तो हम फर्स्ट रो और फर्स्ट कॉलम को लीव आउट करेंगे, इस रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट का डिटरमिनेंट 3 6 0 12 माइनस देन सेकंड एलिमेंट के रेस्पेक्ट तो 0 into 0 3 0 12 देन प्लस ऑफ 0 into इस एलिमेंट के रेस्पेक्ट 0 into 3 and 3 6, but these two values will become 0, so just only we have to find the calculation of this determinant. So it will be 3 into 3 in 12 3 is 36 minus of 0, so it will be determinant of 3A will be 3 into 36, that is equals to 6 3 is 18 carry 1 and 3 3 is 9 and 1, that is 108. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that thrice of determinant A, thrice of determinant A should be equals to 27 into determinant of A. Here determinant of 3A is 108, so this is 108 equals to 27 into determinant A is 4. So 108 equals to 27 into 4 is also 108. So hence proof. Now next question. Now question number 5, evaluate the determinant. Let determinant A is equals to determinant of 3 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. We have to find the determinant of 3 cross 3. So first of all, we will observe that on with respect to which particular row or column respect we have to expand. So see, in second row there are two elements are 0. So if we expand with respect to second row, then the calculation will be easy. So determinant A on expanding with respect to रो सेकेंड, सो इट विल बी 0 इंटू इस एलिमेंट के रेस्पेक्ट एक्सपांशन करूंगा तो इसका पोजीशन है A21, so sign will be minus just for explanation. So 0 into leave this row and this column, so minus 1 minus 2, determinant of minus 1 minus 2 0. Then with respect to this position is A22, so plus of 0 into determinant of 3 minus 2 and 3 0. Then with respect to this, so minus 1 into, leave second row and third column, so 3 minus 1 and 3 minus 5. So first this will be equals to 0, this will be also equals to 0, so 0 plus 0 minus of 1 into determinant of 2 by 2, so multiply principal diagonal, 3 into minus 5 minus of 15 minus of 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. So it will be equals to minus 3 into minus 15 plus of 3. So minus 1 into minus 12, that will be plus 12. So this is the determinant of 3 cross 3. You can expand with respect to any row and any column. Numerical value will be always remain same if your calculation is correct. But we have to expand with respect to that particular row or column in which maximum elements are 0. Now second part, determinant 3 minus 4 5 1 1 minus 2 2 3 1. So in this given determinant of order 3, in every row and column all the elements are numerical. So let determinant A is this. Now on expanding with respect to R first, row first. So row first के respect कैसे expansion करेंगे? Take the first element, its position is A11, A11. So A11 इसके पहले साइन क्या आएगा? minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 1, that is minus 1 raised to the power even number, so plus 3 into determinant of, now 3 जिस रो और कॉलम में लाइज कर रहा, that is first row and first column को लीव करना, so remaining element का determinant 1 minus 2 3 1, then second element is minus 4 and its position is A12, so इसके पहले minus sign आएगा because minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 2, that is odd number, so minus of minus 4, that will be plus 4. Now ये second row second column में लाइज कर रहा, so first row second column के element को leave out करेंगे, तो remaining determinant will be 1 minus 2 2 1. Then third element 5, its position is A13, that is minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 3, so minus 1 raised to the power even, so sign will be plus. Now 5 is lies in first row and third column, so leave these, remaining element are 1 1 2 3. In this way we will expand with respect to first row. So now determinant A barabar 3 into, now find the value, so principal diagonal 1 into 1 1 minus of 3 into minus 2 minus 6 of minus, that is plus of 6, then plus 4 into 1 into 1 1 plus of 4, because minus of 2 into minus 2, so minus of minus 4 plus 4, then plus 5 into 1 into 3 3 minus of 2, so it will be equals to determinant A barabar 3 into 7 plus 4 into 5 plus 5 into 1, so determinant A will be equals to 21 plus 20 plus 5, so 41 plus 5, that is 46. So determinant A is your 46. Then next, question number 6. If the given square matrix A is 1 1 minus 2 2 1 minus 3 5 4 minus 9, then find determinant A. So determinant A will be, determinant A first given square matrix, so in determinant form how we will write? 1 1 minus 2 2 1 minus 3 5 4 minus 9. Now on expanding with respect to R first row के respect expansion करेंगे. So determinant E will be first element is 1, its position is even, so as it is plus 1 into determinant of leaving the first row and first column. So 1 minus 3, 4 minus 9. Then second element is plus 1, but its position is odd, so its sign will be changed, so minus 1. Now leave the first row and second column, so remaining element are 2 minus 3, 4 minus 9. Then with respect to this element, its position is even, so it will be as it is minus 2. Now leave the first row and third column, so remaining element 2, 1, 5, 4. Now it is reduced in the determinant of order 2. Now how we will find principal diagonal element? So 1 into minus 9 plus of 12 minus 1 into minus of 18, principal diagonal element first. 2 into minus 9 minus 18 minus of this 4 into minus 3 minus 12, so it will be plus 12. Then minus 2 into 4, principal diagonal 8 minus of 5. So determinant E will be equals to minus 9 plus 12 plus 3 into 1, 3. Then minus 18 plus 12 minus 6 plus 1, that is plus of 6. Then 8 minus 5, 3. 3 into 2, that will be minus 6. So minus 6 plus 6 will be cancelled out. So determinant is 3. In this way, you can expand with respect to first row and you can calculate the determinant of given square matrix of order 3. Please learn that every square matrix can be associated with a real or complex number that is known as its determinant. So determinant is defined for only a square matrix. Then find the value of x. Question number 7. First, determinant of 2, 4, 5, 1 is equals to determinant of 2x, 4, 6 of x. There are two determinant of order 2 cross 2 and both are equal and we have to find the value of x. So first find the value of this determinant. So principal 2 into 1, 2 minus of 5 into 4, 20 equals to 2x into x, 2x square minus 6 into 4, that is 24. So 2x square minus 24, this minus 18 will be right side, so plus of 18 is equals to 0. Now divide throughout by this. First 2x square minus 24 plus 18, that is minus 6 is equals to 0. So x square will be equals to 6 upon 2. So x square will be equals to 3. So x will be plus minus of root 3. This is the question number 7th first part. Then second question, determinant of 2, 3, 4, 5 is equals to determinant of x 3, 2x 5. Very easy question. Determinant of 2 cross 2, very basic. 5 into 2, 10 minus 4 3s are 12 equals to 5 into x, 5x minus 2x into 3 minus 6 of x. So 10 minus 12 minus 2 is equals to minus of x, minus minus plus, so x is equals to 2. This is the next question. Now last one more question. Question number last, 8th question. If determinant of x2, 18 of x is equals to determinant of 6 to 18 of 6, then x will be. So find x into x, x square minus 18 into 2, 36 is equals to. This is 6. 6 into 6, principal diagonal 6 into 6, 36 minus 18 into 2, that is 36. So x square minus 36, here 36 cancel out 0. So x square is 36, implies that x is plus minus root of 36, implies that x is equals to plus minus 6. So x key value plus minus 6. So B option is correct. So this was exercise 4.1. In next video, I will solve the exercise 4.2, and that exercise is very important. So please like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you.